Can you believe that? We got some oldies. What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and we have another unboxing, or I guess maybe an unbagging today of one of my recent purchases. This is a SD Bullion purchase, one of the Black Friday deals. I jumped on there and grabbed up a couple of the deals. This was a small purchase, that's why it doesn't need a box. But anyway, I grabbed a couple deals that I was interested in, and this is what it is right here. There was $10 face. It was random, and I ended up with $10. Okay, it says quarters or dimes, unspecified. So I got $10 in quarters. We're going to get into those just shortly. That looks odd. But anyway, and then we have 2 bars as well. These were less than $1 over spot, maybe like 39 or 49 cents. I forget. Anyway, this is a Sunshine Minting bar. I think that was the random bar. And then this one right here. I think this is supposed to be the Constitution. And then, of course, the Liberty Bell right there. Proclaim Liberty. So, of course, these 2 things will be going into the Silver Lopes on our live streams as well. Let's get into these, though. I'm going to open this up and see what's going on with this. I better put this on pause just for a second. Alright, so the truth is I wanted to pause that just in case I messed this part up, because there's always that chance. This does not necessarily want to come undone there. Let me see if I can just push them out. There we go. Let's see what we, look at that. Standing Liberty. We have a Standing Liberty. Alright, let me get the, and look at this. And we have a Barber. 1909. That's very cool. We have a Barber and a Standing Liberty. And I believe this was all at and another Barber. Let me get all this out. Alright, that might be, everything else might be Washington's. But yeah, so we got another Barber. That is a 1896. It's got some issues, but yeah, you can't beat a couple Barbers at spot. Pretty sure it was a spot deal. Let me get all this out. I'll get these dates separated, and we'll see what all we have. Alright, so now that I have it all out here, I got it in each roll. These are the 40s, this is the 50s, and this is the 60s. Pretty happy with the purchase. Now, I've never bought junk silver from any of the bullion dealers. I usually get this stuff from my LCS. So I know exactly what I'm buying, when I'm buying it. This was kind of like a lottery shot, see what you get, and I was pretty happy. A lot of times you get the 60s and maybe a few 50s, and they'll throw a couple 40s in there. But as you see, I got a bunch of 40s, few in the 50s, several more in the 60s. But then up here we got the 37, and then 2 Barbers and a Standing Liberty. So we're going to go over them real quick. So I showed this earlier. It's a little beat up. It's 1896 Philadelphia, and then this one is a 1909 Philadelphia as well. But kind of slick, cool to get at spot. You know, most of the times everybody wants to kind of overcharge you for some older coins. Now this Standing Liberty, it does not have a date. I did try to get a date off of it, looking, and I could not find it. But still, Standing Liberty quarter. You can't be mad about that either. We got a 1937. This is a S mint mark. It's the lower of the mintage of the 37, so that was pretty cool. I was pretty happy about that. Down here in the 40s, these are 41s. That's a Philadelphia, 2 Denvers. That's a Philadelphia 42. Then some 44s with one of them from Denver. 45, 47s, Denver. And then 48s, 2 Denvers. Here in the 50s, we got a 51, a 50, oh, that's a 50, that's a 51D, 52, 56, 57, 2 of them being Denvers, and then down here's the 60s, a 61, a 62 Denver. This is the 64s, and then this is a 64 Denvers right here. All in all, really happy with my purchase. I really kind of thought that it was all going to be around the 60s, like I said, and happy that it wasn't. The 60s, although they're the newer ones, so like this has a lot more content to it. This quarter right here weighs more than this quarter right here. So if we was going on weight and trying to figure that out, this one would have more silver content in the end. But it's always cool to get some older coins, so I'm pretty happy with my purchase. So that was my SD Bullion purchase right there. Put the two bars in as well. Happy with my purchase. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the description down below. So until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And until next time, good luck.